Welcome to Brain Vision.
Let's use some basic supply and demand principles in order to examine the effects of some changes within the sweatshirt market. Start with effect A, we're told that the cotton crop is damaged by a hurricane. We know that sweatshirts are typically made out of cotton, so because this cotton crop has been damaged, what we're going to end up seeing is a decrease in supply. So as supply drops, we're going to see the supply curve shift upward and to the left, which means that our new equilibrium point has changed. So our equilibrium is now going to sit right in here. As a result, our quantity demanded and supplied, so our quantity supplied is going to reduce. Our price is going to go up. And now let's move on to part B. Suppose that the price of the leather jacket falls. And let's assume that leather jackets and sweatshirts are substitutes for one another, right? They both give us a little bit of warmth. So assuming that they're substitutes, our price of leather jackets falls, meaning people are going to choose to purchase those instead of sweatshirts. So we're likely to see a decrease in the demand for our sweatshirts. So this demand curve is likely to decrease. And as a result of that, we're going to see our equilibrium shift as well, meaning that our new equilibrium will sit in here. Our quantity is going to decrease, and our price is going to decrease. Part C here, supposing that that the appropriate attire for morning exercises is required, and supposing that this appropriate attire is a sweatshirt, we're likely to see that demand is going to increase for these sweatshirts because as people need to wear these, if it's required that they wear these, they're going to have to purchase them. So demand is going to increase. As a result, our equilibrium is going to shift. We're going to see an increase in quantity and an increase in price. Part D here, supposing that knitting machines are improved, so meaning that it might be possible to knit more sweatshirts than was initially than what manufacturers were initially able to do, in which case our supply is going to increase. So we're going to see our supply curve shift outward. As a result, our new equilibrium will sit over here. We're going to have an increased quantity of sweatshirts and a decreased price for sweatshirts.